Hi, I'm Josephine from NST Pictures, and today I'm going to show you how to post your wedding video onto Instagram. Once you receive a direct download link from your wedding consultant, I find that it's easiest to access it on your phone, so you'll have the file right there in front of you. Open up your Instagram app, press that center square button, look for your media file, feel free to expand it, press next. Here you'll want to choose a cover image. And then you can write your caption. Don't forget to tag NST Pictures, as well as a hashtag #LoveOnReplay. And once everything looks good, just press that share button, and there you have it. If you have any follow-up questions, feel free to give your wedding consultant a call or shoot us an email at info@nstpictures.com. Until then, we'll see you next time. Bye!